In this quick tutorial, you are going to learn how to install a Cron agent. CRONCAT provides a general-purpose, fully autonomous network that enables scheduled function calls for blockchain contract execution. It allows any application to schedule logic to get executed in the future, once or many times, triggered by an approved agent, in an economically stable format. Before you start, please note you will need some NEAR funds to be able to trigger transactions, but don't worry, all of the funds needed to sign transactions will be awarded back to you in addition to rewards you will earn. So, first thing you need to do is the setup process, which is comprised of 2 steps as shown here. First, install. Then, log in. Being logged in allows your Cron agent to have a funded account. If you do not have a NEAR account with 1 NEAR or more yet, go to the link in the top right corner to learn how to create one. Second step is to test out the CLI. Run Docker in detached mode and set the agent account ID. Next step is to register your agent. To be able to earn rewards with CRONCAT, the manager needs to know which account will be earning rewards. You can register by the following. Note that if you make your rewards account different than your agent account, you will need to set up a way to make sure the agent account stays funded, as it does need to pay for transaction executions. Fourth step is testing Task Runner. Run the CRONCAT agent and set the agent account ID. Final step is running in production. Once you've run all the above commands, it's time to move into something much more stable. If you are only using the CLI as your agent, you can set up a screen session so the runtime persists even when you are not active in the shell runtime. In order to run Cron tasks and receive rewards, you need to register your server as a participant in the Cron service by submitting your server wallet account ID and reward account ID, as shown here. If you need to change your Cron agent account or the rewards account, run the following. At any time you may choose to unregister your Cron agent and stop it from running any further Cron tasks. Note that this will cancel any upcoming tasks that may have been pre-assigned, but it will not cancel any tasks that are pending. You may re-register your agent at any time. Rewards will be automatically paid out directly to your configured beneficiary account ID, at time of execution or in batches. At any time you may view all tasks that your agent can run. In most cases, this list will be how your agent knows if it should be signing a transaction or maintaining an idle but active status. To view the list, execute the following. If you want to see full details of the installation process, go to the link provided in the description below. For more tutorials like this, like the video and subscribe to the channel.